Alright, YouTube, check it out. So I'm at work, a little bit sweaty. Don't let the video camera fuck up. I can barely see shit and everything. But my homeboy left his keys on top of the chair while he went to the back to go work. So I wanted to tell him, let me just take his keys, move his car. So I'm gonna hit y'all back with another one in a minute when he finds out his car is gone. So just check out my next one. I don't know how to edit it and all that shit yet, so please don't get too mad. Check it out next one. Gotcha.